Here's how you can simply delete your Instagram search suggestions. So first up, click on these three lines right over here at the top right of your screen. Once you do that, under the How You Use Instagram option, click on the Your Activity tab. Once you do that, scroll down and then under the How You Use Instagram option, click on the Recent Searches. And right over here, you're going to be given a list of all the recent searches you've made. You can simply delete all these searches by clicking on the Clear All option, and it's then going to give you the option to clear all, and you can simply press clear all, and this should easily remove your Instagram search suggestions. But for now, I'm just going to click the Not Now option, as I want to show you a second way of doing this. The second way is by going over to the Search tab and then try to search something, and then it's going to give you a list of the recent searches you made. Again, click on See All, and you can simply click on the Clear All option again, and it's going to ask you if you want to really clear all, and you should press the Clear All option, and that's going to simply remove all your Instagram search history and also all your Instagram search suggestions. So that's how you can easily delete or remove your Instagram search suggestions. So if you enjoyed this video or you find it helpful, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.